Hi and welcome back to LavenderCoco Kitchen, and here's Lakshmi with me again. Okay, I've got a really good recipe for you today.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, overnight oats.
I saw these recently.
Yeah, I know you like to have things that are good for meal prep.
Yes. I'm very excited because I'm still on my health journey, and I saw people talking about these over the past couple of weeks, and I was super excited because I heard you can keep them for over a week and mix them and put them in little jars, so it's like an easy grab and go.
And with this, you don't have to cook or prepare a meal every day.
Exactly, because it's time for that, not me.
And it helps you stick to your health goals as well.
Yes, which I'm finding very hard being indoors, but we are making the most of it.
Yeah, and as you can see, this recipe allows for a lot of creativity. Once you get the basic recipe, you can add practically anything to it that you like. So you can have a different healthy breakfast every day. Or it can make a great snack.
Yes.
Or if you fancy a dessert, but you want to stay on a healthy, it's good for dessert too.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with oats. Oats are one of the healthiest foods you can eat, actually. It's very good carbohydrate. It's high in fibre. It's also got protein.
And I heard the best oats to use were raw rolled oats.
Yeah, well, this is raw rolled oats. Well, oats are also very economical too, so it's not going to blow your budget either. And a little goes a long way.
More money for sure.
Yeah.
Not really, I'm just kidding.
And they also, they're very satisfying. You don't need to eat a lot, and it will make you feel quite full.
Yes.
And, keep you going for a longer period of time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Fuel for my car.
I'm just going to mix it all in a bowl here. You don't even need a blender or mixer or any special equipment either.
Oh my gosh.
A teaspoon of chia seeds. Also a very healthy ingredient.
Every day in my cereal that I make myself.
Okay, so to this you're going to add half a cup of almond milk. So make sure it's the unsweetened type of almond milk. And it's a very good low carb, low calorie dairy substitute.
I want to make my own from scratch.
Yeah, well, maybe we could do that recipe one
should.
day. So we need 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Just gives it a more creamy element.
Coconut cream.
Just, rounds it out a bit. And coconut's also a healthy fat. And we'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Some flavors.
Yeah.
So we don't get bored.
Just something to sweeten it a bit. This is your own personal choice. You could leave it out, or you could add 1 or 2 teaspoons, even a little bit more if you want it sweeter, but I would keep it lower rather than higher. So I'd start with 1 teaspoon, mix it, then taste it. But be aware, whatever topping you put with it might be sweet, so you may not want this to be very sweet. So it's basically just mixing it all together. That's really all it is. It's pretty simple, as you see.
Pretty good.
Yeah, because when you add toppings, you will make it a bit sweeter depending what the toppings are. So I'm going to bring out some examples of ones I've already made, just so you can see an example of the variety.
I will be making this every day.
Yeah, I'll show you. So we have on the end banana mixed with a date caramel and some whipped coconut cream on top.
Delicious.
Then we have just a strawberry jam, which is homemade, does not contain any added sugar, and a strawberry coconut cream on top. Then we have apple crumble, so we have a pureed apple at the bottom, and a crumble mixture of nuts and oats on top. And in this last one, I mixed cacao powder into the oat mixture. to make chocolate overnight oats and topped with coconut cream.
Welcome to my new breakfast.
Yeah, so as you see, the varieties are endless.
Amazing.
And it's up to your imagination or what particular flavours you like that you can add, you know, to, see, that's just the base. So you can add anything to this.
I'm excited.
And I put it in little jars, which you see, like, if you even are having a party and you wanted a nice dessert, this makes a great dessert.
Welcome to LAKSHMI's party.
You decide what you would like to add, like, you know, fruit at the bottom, or I've mixed chocolate into that. It's really up to you. You can stir through nuts or chopped chips. Okay, LAKSHMI's decided to put some ginger in, which would be a really nice flavour. And we have coconut too. That would be nice to mix in.
So while I was chopping up this ginger, I thought what a delicious flavour it would be to have pina colada. But we don't have any pineapple today. So we're going to have ginger and some coconut flakes, which should be fabulous.
Yeah, well, that'll be nice. But a pina colada one would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
I think I'm pretty sure I've seen someone make that one before. It looked really good.
Yeah, it would be really nice.
And some on top.
Yeah.
Oh, coconut. Smells amazing. Fabulous. Fabulous.
So this mixture will serve like it serves 2 portions or 1 big portion.
Interesting.
Depending on how much you want to make
so you can
or want to eat.
Remake them.
Yeah. And like LAKSHMI said, they will last in the fridge up to 5 days.
Depending on when you opened your almond milk.
Yeah.
So the expiry of that, whatever that will be.
When that's done, you just cover it with some cling wrap and just put it in the fridge until you want to eat it. So just leave it overnight, obviously, and it thickens, as you can see. It thickens in the fridge. And then when you're ready to eat it, you just top it with whatever you want to top it with.
Fabulous.
So maybe you can just do one now so we can have a look.
Time to top it off with some coconuts.
Don't forget the ginger.
Sprinkling of coconuts. Get it in there.
As you can see, that was really quick and easy to make.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Breakfast is now fun.
Yeah, it's really fun with all these flavours.
Isn't this exciting?
Okay, so would you like to sample any of these delicious overnight oats?
Yes, I've been staring at them the whole time.
Well, what do you think you'd like to try?
All of them.
Yeah. Well, obviously this one hasn't been in the fridge,
yeah.
but you can taste it if you want, but it hasn't actually set. But all of these have been in the fridge overnight.
Let's have a dig one at a time.
Yeah, I mean, that's got a lot of coconut cream on it.
Good gracious.
Yeah, the oat part is the chocolate part.
Ooh. Mmm.
Wow.
Oh man, this is better than a McFlurry.
Is it?
Bloody hell, why do I not do this more often?
Oh, you heard that, didn't you?
Dessert for breakfast? Is
Yeah.
this legal?
No more McFlurries.
Is this legal?
Instead, you can have a healthy dessert or breakfast.
If anyone out there is obsessed with desserts and over sugary things, and you're just so tired of not being fit, you need to try these, because this is going to be my new thing.
Wow. Well, I'm really happy to hear that. So now you're going to be making these from now on.
I sure will. For dessert, breakfast,
lunch and dinner.
Potentially dinner.
And snacks.
And definitely a snack.
Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.